Okay, hello students. This is our lecture number 2. It is about latest IT gadgets. Okay, so what are IT gadgets we are using in today's time? So how we can define a gadget? A gadget is a small tool or device that has a specific useful purpose and function tend to be more unusual or cleverly designed than normal technology. So it is a small device or tool that help you in performing some function like sending messages, mails, or listening music, or taking pictures at all. Okay. So a gadget makes our life comfortable and also save our time and money. So nowadays there are number of gadgets in market. So using that you can do multiple tasks within or by using a single device. For example, you can use a smartwatch and you can store contacts, you can read news, you can send messages, and so it can do multiple tasks. Okay, so a gadget that have all features like computer, it consists of news. You can read news, you can send email, song, listening, you can watch video, or even you can take pictures. So different gauges are used for different purpose. So most of have all these features. So this is the diagram for gadgets. So you can see laptop, notebook, mobile phones, tablet, PCs, smartwatch, Google Glass, okay, and speakers, pen drives. These all are IoT gadgets. Okay, CD drive, CD, compact disc. So all these are gadgets we use to do some task. So we have some gadgets uh, and their applications. So first we take as smartwatch. So in a smartwatch you can do different things along with time uh, to display. So you can uh, s- you can do different tasks like audio listening, radio streaming, Bluetooth. You can use to transfer file. Uh, so many watches have touch screens, so you can also access functions like calculator, thermometer, compass to see direction, or you can use it as a like smartphone. So when you provide internet to your smartwatch, or when you put a SIM card in your smartwatch, then it almost functions like a mobile phone. So you can message, you can navigate through GPS, you can synchronize calendar, you can also connect through Bluetooth to transfer file, you can call, you can send and receive messages. So this is the first device gadget that can be used like a computer. Next is Google Glass. So it is also a wearable device. You can wear it like a goggle or okay. So it is voice controlled Android device. that resembles a pair of eyeglasses and display information directly in the user field of vision. So when you wear it, it shows you the information related to your task on your vision. So when you wear it, it shows the information. Okay. So for example, you are going to airport and you are wearing this Google Glass. So it can show you the flight timings, okay, flight name, where when it will take off and all. So Google Glass offers an augmented reality experience. Okay. So in form of visuals, audio or location based input. So it gives you relevant information. Okay. So it provides or capture real objects and give you information about that particular real object. Okay. So user can also control the device manually through voice commands and touchpad located on its frame. So either through voice you can control this device or by touchpad. Okay. So this is about Google Glass. Next, PDA, digital assistants. So the small device where you can collect information as contacts in form of files or programs. So it looks like a palm top, or you can handle the device on your palm like smartphones, but it don't have features like smartphone, just to save contacts, some files. Okay. So you can do your work with voice also, you can do your work with uh, stylus pen. uh, it is a special kind of pen which used to access touch screens. Okay. Or you can attach external keyboard to access this device. Okay. So using PDA you can store information as contacts, files, and some small programs. Next gadget is drone camera. So drone camera is also like a unmanned aircraft or ship that can navigate autonomously without human control or beyond the line of sight. So using drone you can fly your drone to any location. Okay. So drone is made up of different light composite materials in order to reduce weight. So drone are very light weighted. Okay. So it can be equipped with a variety of additional equipments including cameras, GPS guided missiles, navigation systems, sensors and so on. So drones can, you can embed cameras, GPS system or navigation system and sensors for different purpose. Okay, suppose you want to uh, use your drone for security purpose, then you can install camera and sensors to sense something in particular area. Okay. So this is about drone. So there are number different types of drones are coming in market. So next gadget is pen with camera. So this is small gadget where pen have camera, secret camera. Using that you can spy on something. So it can be placed on shirt pocket, or you can put in your hand to capture some video. So this is a pen with camera. Then tablet PC. So these are the wireless portable personal computer with a touch screen interface. So just like mobile, you can use tablet for different purpose, as to call, to email, to access internet, okay, to transfer files and all. So tablets are just slightly bigger in size than phones. The tablet is typically smaller than a notebook computer or laptop. Okay. So for example, iPad, Microsoft Surface, Amazon Kindle Fire, these are the examples of tablet. Okay. So tablets also have external keyboards, some keyboards or stylus pen through you can access touch screen, or keyboards also can be used as a docking station for devices, or where you can put your tablet on that particular keyboard to hold your uh, tablet PC. So it comes in size greater than 8 inch, 10 inch, okay. 7 inches are also available. So these are the small PCs. So next gadget is laptop and notebook. So laptop and notebooks are almost similar, but notebooks are more lightweight compared to laptop. Almost weight less than 6 pounds, or small enough to fit easily in a briefcase. So you can easily carry your notebook to any place. Okay. So it uses flat panel technologies that reduces the weight of your notebook, also the screen display. Okay. So but laptops are more big, slightly bigger in size, or in weight, we can say, or more thick compared to notebook, but both do the same task, like accessing internet, running programs, different softwares and all. Okay. You can even develop programs or softwares using this laptop and notebook. Okay. So this is seventh gadget. So this is the end of our this topic, latest IT gadgets. So using these gadgets you can access internet, or you can develop softwares using laptop and notebook, and with different devices you can do different tasks. So this is the end of our lecture number 2. Thank you.